Yeah, Crystal, it's interesting speaking with passengers out here tonight about this because some of them say they never check to see what aircraft they're flying, but they did today, and some of them say they are concerned about safety.
Said a little prayer and got here safely.
Vicki Brown arrived in L.A. tonight aboard a 737 MAX 8, the same model of aircraft that was involved in the Ethiopian air crash over the weekend and the Lion Air crash off the coast of Indonesia 6 months ago. The two incidents were top of mind for some passengers, even if they kept a cool head.
When I saw the 737, I thought, okay, they didn't ground all of them, obviously.
It was a great flight, and the same thing ran through my mind. It's like, okay.
The FAA has taken no action against Boeing, and while airlines in 23 other countries have grounded the 737 MAX 8, it's business as usual in the U.S. But some passengers are uneasy about flying in them. One person posted, "I have my first 737 MAX 8 flight next week. Would you fly MAX 8 now? Just curious." Another person tweeted Southwest asking how they could find out if their flight was on a MAX 8 and said they weren't sure if they felt comfortable putting their family on the plane.
I am looking at making sure that I'm not going to put myself on a 737.
MAX 8.
Right.
And why is that?
Well, because of the previous two accidents that happened.
Have you ever before thought about
Never. No. And I travel a lot.
In general, travel experts say it's unlikely passengers will be able to cancel flights without penalty because of a specific aircraft, which means when you book, you need to check the refund policy.
But I think disclosure is very poor. I think passengers knowing exactly what the status is of safety, where we are in the process, where they are, and remedying the problems.
And I've been checking the Twitter feeds of various airlines that do fly the 737 MAX 8, and they are telling passengers, the ones that use it, that they are confident in its safety record. Reporting live at LAX, I'm Tom Wade, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Tom.